Mombasa English Academy will make sure that your speech, your language, and your articulation is well checked and well dealt with. Now, having done with prepositions in lesson 6, now lesson 7 is important. And you'll get its importance when you sit down, relax, and listen to the end. Now, have you ever heard of Building Bridges Initiative? Right, I know some people, someone somewhere is giggling because of that word. Okay, nevertheless, away from that motion, my point is, even in English, after we have connected everything, right away from the nouns to the adverbs to the prepositions, now we need a bridge to connect one word to the other. And now that takes us to what we call conjunctions. You get the point? That now conjunctions, these are connecting words. They connect one rod to the other. They connect one word to the other. They connect one clause to the other. Remember, I taught you from the basic grammar, and now we are moving to clauses. We are moving to sentences, right away from words, Now, come with me and study this. Now, don't use choppy sentences. I went to school. I am a boy. I'm just a girl. No. Don't use choppy sentences. They are shoddy. Use now professional sentences. Connect sentences like someone who has taken English language seriously. Communicate longer sentences, For example, you can say, it was a dark evening. Although I had prepared to celebrate, things went gaga. Now, think of that. That now, that sentence is long. Unlike I could have just used that noun. It was a sad evening. Now, think of that. That now we must move to proficiency. Come with me. Examples of conjunctions. One good example that I love so much is this. They are called coordinating conjunction. And now we know coordinating conjunctions. The word coordinator means this is a person who brings and integrates people together to do something. That is now what we call a coordinator. Now, coordinating conjunctions, they bring together clauses. For example, the examples of coordinating conjunctions are and, but, or. Are we together? He was so tall, but he was very senseless. I know you did not expect me to tell you that. He was very wise, but a fool. I know that is now just a position. I'll teach you what that means. A wise fool. We'll study more about juxtaposition and you'll know how two things contrast to each other. Now, for now, let's focus much on conjunctions. Now, the next part is subordinating conjunctions. We have managers subordinating staff. Now you get the point? Now, English has that respect of wordings. The way you respect your manager, now we have subordinators here. Now, for example, in subordinating conjunctions, we use main ideas and we connect them to dependent clauses. For example, it was raining, or rather, let me begin with, we stayed indoors, it was raining. In between, I want to place something. We stayed indoors because it was raining. Now, think of that. That now, the main idea is we stayed indoors. It was raining, it's a dependent clause. Are we together? So we must connect it using what? A subordinating conjunction. And finally, this is the best of it all. you know. Now let me show you how it is. Correlative conjunctions. For example, we have what we call either or. They work in pairs. The big point of correlative conjunctions, they work in pairs. They must be together so that they can form one good sentence. Neither did he drink porridge, nor did he take bread. Are you getting the point? That neither will go hand in hand with or. Are we together? So the point is that these correlative conjunctions work in pairs. We have either or, neither nor. Not only did he watch in Mombasa TV, but also he subscribed. Good people, I want to wish you well. May you have a good moment in your life as you come here daily to watch and learn English. Thank you so much. Like, comment, and share. Thank you so much.